This app's affairs show you
How to create your own stickers on WhatsApp in iPhone. So if you have a photo on your iPhone that you want to convert to a sticker and you want to use the sticker on your WhatsApp, here's how to do it. First of all, you have to update your iPhone iOS version to 17. Once done, just go to your Photos app and open the photo. Now you have to select the subject from the photo. To do that, tap and hold on the subject. Once the subject selected, here you have to tap on copy. Once you copied the subject, now go to your WhatsApp and open the conversation where you want to send the sticker. Tap on this message box. Again, tap on this message box. And here tap on paste. And now you can directly send the sticker by tapping on send. And here you can see the sticker has been sent. But here you can edit the sticker. You have to tap on edit sticker. And now you will be able to draw something here, and you can write a text here. You can also add an emoji here. Then tap on send. And here we can see the sticker has been sent with some custom editing. And now let's send another sticker. So here's making another sticker the same way, selecting the object, copying the object, going to the conversation, pasting the sticker, and boom, it's sent. And that's how whenever you make a sticker and send the sticker in your WhatsApp, all of your stickers will be saved in sticker library. Here's how to find it. Go to the conversation and tap on the sticker icon. And here select sticker. And here you will get the list of all your created stickers. And from the sticker, you can send any sticker to the conversation. This is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.